Good morning, treasurers. This is your host Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is all what you need to know before going into trade for 9th December 2020 in the international market. Britain on Tuesday became the first Western nation to begin a mass inoculation campaign. In the United States, the Trump administration sought to shore up the vaccine supply after a report that Pfizer Inc. may not be able to provide more of its vaccine there until next June because of commitments to other countries. Eyeing COVID-19 vaccine schedule, US 10-year closed 2 basis points down at 0.92 percentage points and 30-year also closed 2 basis points down at 1.67 percentage points. In the crude oil market, for the week ending December 4, the API, American Petroleum Institute, reported a build in crude oil inventories of 1.1 million barrels versus analyst expectation of inventory draw of 1.5 million barrel. Crude is trading stable at $48.8 per barrel. Crude's short-term range seems to be $48 to $50. In the currency market, DXY or dollar index is at 90.92. DXY has not breached 90.50 for the last 4 days, and this gives us a confirmation that DXY is back to 91.5 in very few days. DXY's today's range seems to be 90.57 and 91.53. USDCNY or Chinese yuan is at 6.53. USDINR with a high of 73.84 closed at 73.60 on Tuesday. USDINR's range for today seems to be 73.60, 73.90. In the domestic market, with elevated inflation and no OMO announcements, markets are looking weak. Without OMO coming in next week, 577 is inching high to touch 6%. Market participants are expecting OMO announcements on Thursday. 522 GS 2025 closed at 507 versus Monday's 503. 577 GS 2030 closed at 594 versus Monday's 592. 9th December 2020's SDL auction analysis. For 10-year benchmark yields, Goa cutoff came at 655, Karnataka at 654, Rajasthan at 660, Assam and Nagaland at 662. Gujarat did not accept any bids for 9-year bond sales as the yields were unfavorable. Compared to previous week, SDL yields increased by 2 to 3 basis points. Market is waiting for Thursday's expected OMOs, without which it will try to touch 6%. That's it for today. You were listening to Night Snippets with Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech. See you tomorrow with the new episode of Night Snippets.